Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You already know the song's key, tempo, and mood, so begin by isolating the last complete idea you heard. Start immediate actions. Loop the last 8/16 bars and hum variations. This anchors you in musical memory and makes continuation easier. Once done, pick one small goal, add a verse, extend the chorus, or create a transitional tag, and sketch 3 quick melodic or lyrical ideas. Make sure to record rough takes. They are raw material you'll refine later. Now focus on development. Take the strongest motif and either answer it or alter its rhythm slightly. This creates momentum without losing identity. Harmonically, introduce one new chord or a simple inversion to suggest movement and adjust instrumentation. Pull instruments back for a sparse moment, then reintroduce them for impact. Once the middle feels distinct, write connective lyrics or a brief pre-chorus to bridge back. This keeps the listener oriented and fuels the return to the chorus or final section. To finish, resolve harmonic tension by returning to the tonic or a clear cadence, and decide whether you want a full chorus reprise or an abbreviated outrow. Both work. Create a 4/8 bar tag that echoes the hook or provides a lyrical wrap-up, and balance dynamics so the ending feels intentional rather than abrupt. If things sound off, loop the transition, mute parts to isolate issues. And record versions, listening back reveals awkward jumps, so you can tighten phrasing and harmony quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.